Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Blitzwing 3500 amp, 12 volt, heavy-duty jump starter. There are features include Blitzwing 3500 amp peak portable jump starter and wide work temperature. This car battery jump starter delivers true lab verified 3500 amp peak current, compatible with all 12 volt vehicles up to 10L gas and 6L diesel engines. As a powerful car jump starter, it quickly wakes fully dead batteries for cars, trucks, tractors, ATVs, yachts, motorcycles and snowmobiles. Work temperature from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Reliable emergency roadside jump start without waiting for rescue. 74 watt-hour two-way PD 60 watt and multi-function power bank. This battery jumper starter portable features bidirectional Type-C, PD 60 watt port plus dual USB-A outputs. It acts as a high-capacity power bank to quickly charge phones, laptops, cameras and tablets, drone for camping and outdoor adventure. Fully self-charges within 1.5 hours, only 10 minutes of supplementary charging supports a complete vehicle jump start, suggest use with over or equal 55% remaining power for safe jump start. 500 lumens LED flashlight and rugged carry case. Our car jumper integrates 3 adjustable lighting modes: steady daily light, strobe warning light and SOS distress signal. This all-in-one Blitzwing jumper starter for car solves multiple outdoor emergency demands, perfect for nighttime breakdowns and repairs, sudden emergency, camping scenarios without carrying extra lighting equipment. This jump pack comes with a PU carry case that's waterproof, shockproof and impact resistant, ready for extreme situation. 10 intelligent protection and flame retardant shell. This industrial jump box adopts dual color anti-drop, splash resistant casing, built with 10 intelligent safety safeguards including reverse connection protection, short circuit protection, overcharge and over-discharge protection, waterproof protection for all-round security. Flame retardant ABS plus PC inner shell plus shock-absorbing rubber outer coating resists water splashes, dust, high drops and heavy impacts, can safely start your car in various harsh environment like cold winter, off-road adventures, nighttime breakdown, rainy days. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.